Imagine you're sitting in your living room, scrolling through your phone, and you come across a video about Stash. You've heard of it, but you're not entirely sure what it is or who's behind it. Have you ever wondered who owns Stash? The app that seems to be everywhere, from social media to your friends' recommendations. It's a question that's been on the minds of many, and in this video, we're going to dive deep into the mystery. Before we get into the specifics, let's take a step back and understand what Stash is. It's a financial technology company that offers a variety of investment products, including stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. It's gained popularity for its user-friendly interface and accessibility to investors of all levels. The mystery begins. So, who actually owns this financial powerhouse? The answer might surprise you. Unlike many other publicly traded companies, Stash is privately owned. This means that its ownership is held by a select group of individuals or entities, rather than being available to the general public through shares on the stock market. The search for clues. To uncover the mystery of Stash's ownership, we need to look beyond the company's public face. We need to delve into its history, its funding rounds, and the people behind the scenes. Early days, Stash was founded in 2012 by Edward Robinson and David Bach. These two individuals laid the groundwork for the company's success, but they didn't remain the sole owners for long. Funding rounds. Over the years, Stash has raised significant amounts of capital through venture capital funding. These investments have come from a variety of sources, including prominent venture capital firms and strategic partners. Key investors. Some of the key investors in Stash include Goldman Sachs, a global investment banking firm that has a history of backing innovative fintech companies. General Atlantic, a leading global growth equity firm with a focus on technology and consumer businesses. Morgan Stanley, a global financial services firm that has made strategic investments in various fintech companies. The puzzle pieces come together. While we may not have a definitive list of all the individual owners of Stash, the information we've gathered paints a picture of a company that is backed by a strong network of influential investors. These investors have provided the financial resources and expertise necessary for Stash's growth and success. The future of Stash. As Stash continues to expand its offerings and reach new customers, it's likely that its ownership structure may evolve. Whether that means going public, acquiring other companies, or remaining privately owned remains to be seen. So, who owns Stash? The answer is complex, but it's clear that the company is backed by a powerful network of investors. While the exact details of its ownership may remain shrouded in mystery, one thing is certain: Stash has established itself as a major player in the fintech industry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of finance and technology.